In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the new Colamy Executive Big and Tall Office Chair. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. Huge shout out to Colamy for actually sponsoring today's video. I have worked with them in the past and they have sent out some really awesome furniture. So again, a huge shout out to Colamy for actually sending out this chair for review. Now, I really do like this chair for a few different reasons, and this is going to be for the people out there that want a chair that's going to be very sturdy, especially if you are a bigger person, because this chair is going to support up to 500 pounds. Really crazy stuff right here. So I'm going to be showing you the initial setup of this chair, and then after that I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions on this chair, and of course take a look at some of the key features that this chair offers. Alright everyone, so first and foremost, as you guys can see, we are going to start off with the base of this chair. So you're just going to pop the base of this chair down, and of course we are offered 5 individual wheels inside of the box, so we're going to go ahead and pop each of those in. It may take a little bit of force, but they are pretty easy to get in. Next up, as you guys can see, we have the hydraulics of the chair right here. So both of these pieces are going to be going in the hole of that base. So just go ahead and place that there. All right, guys. So next up, we have a toolkit right here. Very awesome that Colamy actually provided this. It's actually an Allen wrench that I use to this day for different projects. So amazing Allen wrench right here. It offers you a lot of support inside this box. But what we're going to go ahead and do is we're actually going to screw in the cable actuated mechanism that lets us use all of the features that this chair offers. So as you guys can see, there's going to be a few different screws we're going to screw to the bottom of this chair. And once that's set up, we are going to place the bottom half of the chair into the metal slot of the top half and then screw in all appropriate screws. Now that that's secure, we're going to want to go ahead and line up our arms. We are going to be offered 2 arms inside the box as well, and both of the arms on the chair you can line up with the holes, and what you're going to do is screw in 2 of the screws into the right side of the chair for the right arm, and of course the left side of the chair with the left arm. And after all of that is done, you're going to place the base of the chair or the hydraulic system into the bottom hole of the chair, and we are all done. This is how the chair is looking, as you guys can see. Let's get into the features though. So we have some pretty cool features on this chair. I'm sure you guys know how an office chair usually works. We do have a hydraulic system that's going to, of course, raise and lower the chair. So you guys are going to have absolutely no issues with that. It worked flawlessly. But we do actually have something on the side of the chair that we can press down if we would like to go ahead and recline. And we can actually use this for a rocking motion as well. So this actually rocks in between 90 and 120 degrees, which is something that I like to do maybe when I'm thinking, I'm watching a TV show, I'm working on a project. I really do enjoy this motion. It's definitely something I really like about the chair. And of course, you can lock that into place if that's something that you don't want to use. Next up, we actually do have lumbar support, and the unique thing about the lumbar support that's offered in here, as opposed to other office chairs with like hard plastic lumbar support, this chair actually offers a very cushiony air lumbar support. So we're going to get a little pump inside of here. It's like a little stress ball, which is cool because I guess you can use it as that as well. I kind of tend to use that as like a twiddling thumbs method or whatever. But what you go ahead and do with this is you actually squeeze the ball, and that's going to pump up the lumbar support, which is basically lower back support if you don't know what lumbar means. And that's actually going to blow that up for you, and it's going to give you some nice support. So if you guys want to go ahead and blow that up, it actually gives you a lot of leeway to go ahead and do so. And if you guys actually don't want to use that lumbar support, you can just go ahead and press 2 of the buttons that are on there at the same time, and that is going to go ahead and let all of the air out of that little bubble sack right there, and you will not have the lumbar support activated right there. So obviously you can use it or not use it, depending on what you want. Another great thing about this chair is we can actually raise that neck or head support, as you guys can see right here. This is something that I found out later on. I didn't really even know that this did this, which was super cool because I have a longer torso than I do have legs. I am 6'4". I'm a big dude, but my torso is much longer. So this is going to be a very good thing for people who want some head support, some neck support, some upper back support. You guys are going to be able to raise that head, which is really cool. And it actually works very well, and it's super comfortable. So they have some really good quality stuff they put inside of this chair, and they're really not skimping out on the quality quality of the materials that they put inside of this. But overall, this is a very, very big chair. This is going to be for the people that are up to 500 pounds. So if you're a bigger guy out there or you're a taller guy, this chair is absolutely going to be for you. Of course, you can purchase this for one of your family members or friends that's on the bigger side as well. This is going to be a very, very awesome gift for them. And I've really enjoyed this chair so far. But if you guys want to learn more about this chair or you guys want to pick one up for yourself, I may have a coupon code in the description down below or the top comment down below. Go ahead and check that out. And I'll also leave a link to this chair if you guys want to go ahead and purchase it in the description and the top comment down below as well. Another huge shout out to Colamy for actually sponsoring today's video. If you guys have any questions about this chair, leave it in the comment section down below. But hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day. This has been Safan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.